Why automate recurring financial goals?
Automating recurring financial goals, like saving a set amount each month, helps you stay on track and reduces manual effort. Most budgeting apps offer features to schedule, track, and remind you of these goals, making it easier to achieve consistent progress. With automation, you can focus more on your life and less on remembering every detail of your budget each month.
Setting up monthly goals in your app.
To start, open your budgeting app and locate the section for goals or savings. Select the option to create a new goal, then choose the frequency as monthly. Enter the amount you wish to save or pay towards a specific goal. Naming the goal helps you stay motivated and organized, as your progress will be tracked each month automatically.
Enabling automation features.
Most modern budgeting apps allow you to automate transfers or reminders. Look for features called automatic transfers, scheduled contributions, or recurring goals. Set your start date, frequency, and amount. Once configured, the app will either move money for you or remind you to do it, reducing the risk of missing your target.
Monitoring progress and adjusting.
Check your app's dashboard regularly to view your progress toward each goal. Most apps display visual trackers, percentage completed, or monthly breakdowns. If your financial situation changes, it's easy to edit the amount or pause automation. Keeping an eye on progress boosts motivation and helps you make timely adjustments if needed.
Tips for success with automated goals.
Set realistic monthly amounts to avoid straining your budget. Take advantage of app notifications or reports to stay aware of your progress. Group similar goals, like emergency funds or vacations, to streamline tracking. By automating and regularly reviewing your recurring financial goals, you'll gain confidence and control over your finances.